Hey guys, my name's Hanif and welcome to my CaptiFire review. Now, when it comes to creating really fancy and high converting marketing pages, it's been a roadblock for many beginners because if you don't know how to code, or even if you're using software tools such as some of the WordPress landing page builders out there like InstaBuilder and others, it can still be a bit complicated because it's not exactly fully drag and drop simple. And usually it has to integrate with something like WordPress, and sometimes there's errors and issues that come up which prevent people from being able to create these really professional pages. So you had lead pages come out a few years back, and then after that many competitors have followed to make the process even simpler. So now with the CaptiFire software, it's really the most updated tool on the market, designed for ease and simplicity over all the other tools out there. So instead of being something that is built on WordPress, CaptiFire is its own standalone platform. And although it integrates with WordPress, you don't have to use WordPress in order to use it. And it can also host the pages for you. And it's really the first true free-form drag and drop builder out there. Free-form drag and drop builder, meaning that you don't have to create rows and then be restricted to putting stuff inside of rows and have these restrictions. It's literally drag and drop anywhere on the page, insert your element anywhere you want, and in that sense, it's a completely free-form drag and drop technology. All right, so CaptiFire is a hosted platform, meaning that you log into a members area to get started with creating your first page. Now, when you first log into your CaptiFire members area, you'll be able to choose from many pre-made designs to work with, which is really cool because these designs are in different categories of pages, such as webinar pages or opt-in pages or discount pages, or coming soon pages. You basically have all of these different styles or categories of pages and pre-designed templates that are proven to convert already. So you can just choose a design and get started with the next step. All right, so once a design loads up or a page loads up, now you have the option of literally dragging the different elements around. You can click and start typing in your text. You can easily select the text and change the color, change the font, and so many different options you have. And basically, you can drag different components into your page. So you can insert text, media, forms, social buttons, call to action buttons, different types of marketing tools such as countdown timers, geolocation tags, and even multi-step pages, which I'll talk about a little bit later in my review. But basically, you can really customize any element on the page and even change the background within a few clicks. Drag and drop everything, make it bigger, make it smaller, adjust it to the right, adjust it to the left, and insert pretty much any component that you want to. So that's what makes CaptiFire really useful as a tool, is the ability for you to free-form, create, and add elements that otherwise would require tons of coding and tons of CSS experience to do. All right, now the cool thing is that while you're working on a page, you can immediately change the template of that page on the fly. So even if you're working on a particular page and you want to change the template, you don't have to exit back to your main dashboard and choose another template. You can literally mix and match different templates or switch between templates on the fly while you're working on a single page. So you go ahead and choose a different template literally within a couple of clicks, and same thing, you can drag and drop the different elements around. And some of the additional components that you have available to you, which are really useful, are things such as inserting Google Maps or a custom HTML code if you have it. Maybe you want to put in a pixel or some Google Analytics code or whatever the case may be. You've got the ability to insert HTML code. You can put in a countdown timer and rulers and tracking codes and all types of cool stuff within your pages. And the other nice thing is that you can also preview how your page is going to look on tablets and on phones. So you can switch between the tablet mode and the phone mode and actually make edits to your pages for tablet and for phone, so you can make it look exactly the way you want on a phone. So if you're working on a particular page, you want the web version of that page to look different from your mobile version, well, you can do that easily with CaptiFire. You simply click on the mobile preview of your page, and now you can literally start dragging and dropping the elements around to make it look perfect on the mobile device. So this is basically a mobile specific builder, meaning that you can create custom mobile pages that aren't only responsive, but they're entirely unique from your main desktop pages. Now, you don't have to do that. Your desktop pages will most likely render beautifully on the mobile pages anyways, because these templates are responsive. But if you wanted to go the extra mile and insert additional things into your mobile pages, you can easily do that with CaptiFire within a few clicks and have tons of options, interactive options and marketing options that you can insert into your mobile pages as well to make them convert better. Okay, and the last cool feature that I want to talk about with CaptiFire is the ability to have these multi-step pages which allow you to, or allow your visitors to interact with your web page, engage with your web page, and make choices on their own. So for example, you can create like a choice page. So for example, let's say that you show your visitor 3 different t-shirts and you say, hey, please choose a design and you'll get an immediate 10% discount for helping us choose. So in that sense, it's sort of like a survey. So you give your visitor a bunch of different choices and then you say, hey, choose one of these choices, help us make a decision on which of these designs or whatever is best, and we'll immediately give you a 10% discount. So the visitor can then choose the design that they like, and then on the next step, another page will load up showing them that their discount has been applied and they can now purchase the shirt. So in that sense, obviously, you can increase conversions by really engaging your visitors. And this isn't limited to t-shirts. You can use this with virtually any type of product or service that you're giving away. You simply ask your visitor which one of these products do they like best, and if they help you decide, then they'll immediately get a discount for sharing their opinion with you. And in that sense, you can engage your visitors, give them incentives, and increase your conversions in the process. Okay, and lastly, of course, it gives you full analytics and data for how your pages are working, because knowing how your pages are doing is absolutely essential to making it big in the internet marketing game. I mean, your conversion rates and your impressions and things like that are extremely critical for you to make decisions on which pages are working out for you. And CaptiFire has an entire analytics module built in, so you can easily see how your pages are working. All right, so with that said, now I just want to mention a few drawbacks about this tool. First of all, it's a marketing page builder and not a website builder. So if you're looking to create entire websites with content pages and interlinked websites with blogs and you know, basically a complete web presence that contains all of your content, then CaptiFire is not for you. CaptiFire is actually a marketing page builder that you can use to enhance your existing website. So it doesn't replace the need for you to create a content website or a website for your company. But if you're just starting out and you just need a really, really simple couple of pages to just show that you have a web presence, then you can use CaptiFire. But CaptiFire is best used to create specific marketing pages to increase conversions. So whether you're selling something, or you want to build an email list, or you want to market your services, in either case, CaptiFire creates marketing pages that help you convert your visitors much better. And it integrates with other tools out there. And the other thing is that CaptiFire doesn't replace the need for you to have a decent lead magnet and a decent offer for your visitors to see conversions. So although CaptiFire has engagement features, has marketing features, and it can help you quickly create really attractive looking pages, at the end of the day, the main factor for your conversions is going to be the headline and the title of your lead magnet if you're giving like a free report away, or if you're selling a product or service, really the value that product or service provides your customer. So it's not about the graphics, the engagement, and the marketing features such as the scarcity tools. First and foremost, it's about the value that you're providing, your headline on your pages, the text on your pages, the bullet points on your pages, how they convey the value of your product or service is going to be still the #1 factor that's going to determine how well your page converts. So CaptiFire is not going to patch up crappy content and a bad offer. It's best used if you already have your niche, your audience, and what you're going to offer them in mind already planned out. Okay, so with that said, what I've done is I've created an exclusive and premium bonus package for CaptiFire, and I like to call this the CaptiFire Fast Profits Package because inside of it, I give you the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services to help you get targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources, to help you convert that traffic into leads and sales, and to help you choose cash cow niches and offers so you can scale your business to a much higher level. So in essence, my bonus package is really a complete business building and business growth package because as I said, inside of it, I give you the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services to help you get targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources and to help you scale your internet marketing business to a much higher level. So go ahead and scroll below this video to check out details about how to access my complete CaptiFire bonus package. I guarantee you it's completely unique and you won't see other affiliates offering anything like this. So go ahead and scroll below this video to get access to my bonus package and to learn more about it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I wish you all the best in your internet marketing business, and thanks for watching.